Ready to level up your Photoshop game and seamlessly integrate projects? Let's dive into the heart of Photoshop and learn how to add projects. Starting with the most fundamental step, opening files. Head up to the File menu located in the top left corner of your screen. From there, find and click on Open. This opens the Open File dialog box. Here, you can browse your computer's directories to find the project you'd like to work on. For example, locate the folder containing your desired image, design, or asset. Photoshop supports a vast array of file formats. You'll likely work with JPEGs, PNGs, which support transparency, or even Photoshop's native PSD files, which preserve all layers and editing information. Choose the file you want to open and click Open. Your chosen project will now open in its own tab within the Photoshop workspace. You can now start working with your project. Now, let's talk about organizing your project assets. Think about using layers to separate different elements, whether it's graphics, text, effects, or adjustments. Ensure they are in the order you desire them to be. This keeps everything structured and easier to manage. A handy shortcut is the drag and drop method. You can simply drag an image file from your computer directly into the Photoshop workspace, which will open it as a new project. From there, you can easily copy and paste elements to combine them in your main project. To add external projects, select the images or elements within the project you want to import. Copy these selections, then go to the destination file and paste them in. This will bring them into the correct layer and allows you to manipulate them as you wish. Congratulations, you've mastered the fundamentals of adding projects in Photoshop. Use these tips for an organized and efficient workflow. Subscribe for more Photoshop secrets. #Photoshop workflow #project management.